everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and today I'm doing a little deeper dive into a very essential tool that I have in my toolbox. It's called a 5-in-1. It actually does more than that. This tool is great for any professional painter, anybody actually. Do-it-yourselfer, everyone should have this in their toolbox. I'm going to show you what it does, the uses that I use it for, and I'm sure there are many other beyond what I'm saying. So sometimes I use it for a little bit of a hammer on the bottom. So I will, if I'm hanging pictures back up after a job, I'll just find the hole, tap it right back in. It has a little slot in the middle right here for removing nails. So if I'm starting a job and I'm taking them out, you just lift right up like this. Very, very easy. Get it right in the notch there and pull it right out. The next thing I'm going to do is it has a beveled edge on it, so I'm going to use it to fill those nail holes. If I can't find my putty knife and I'm trying to get this done and all of that, I just fill these nail holes in with the edge of this. It's also, because it does have the beveled edge and it can be sharpened, it is great for scraping paint. It's great for getting in between scraping like this or scraping like this. Excellent for scraping paint. I use it for cleanup on my cuts and along the floor and along the inside. So you can wrap a damp rag around it. You can go right along the edge like this, take any of the wall paint off. You can go right across the floor. If you're painting the bottom of the baseboard, you get any on the floor, you wrap it with a rag, you just pull it in real tight right across the floor. It's excellent for that. It's excellent for opening paint cans. You just go around the edge, hit it like this. The next thing you know, you've got all the way around and your paint can is opened. It has a really great curve right here. So when you're at the end of the day, you're at the end of your job, you want to clean up your roller, take this, put it right on the roller, right over your paint, scrape it down, and you can take off all the excess paint. It has a flat end like this that can be used, either one can be used to take out a flathead screwdriver. When you're going around your room and beginning to paint, you're taking off all of your light switch covers. This tool is awesome. Everybody should have this tool. So this has been a highlight on the 5-way. There are other models made. I have seen some where the bottom pulls off. There's a Phillips head screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, and even a nail punch in there. That's great. And some come a little bit bigger, some come a little bit smaller. It can fit right into your back pocket when you're working, and you can access it at any time. This in your rag, so important. So I hope that you found the information in this video informative to you today and helpful. Maybe you'll use one, maybe you'll run out and buy one. And if you did, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until my next video, take care. Bye-bye.